Thank you for tuning back to another edition of the PulseWave Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports. All right, without further ado, let's jump into these charts. The first one we got here is gold futures. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, gold futures. So as you can see here, we had this rally alert coming in today, and now we got this narrow range inside day. So no upside production as of yet, but as you know, the indicators lead the market 3 to 5 days out at times. So we're still waiting for this to trigger. And then we got the top of the Kumo cloud and the overhead trend line resistance as the initial target for this move. We'll see how much power it can get when it gets going. But for right now, that is still the initial target. All right, the next thing we're looking at here is a Litecoin. All right, so as you can see here, this is your Litecoin, and the market came down. We had that narrow range inside day. Then we came in now with the rally alert. So the question moving forward now is, are the markets just taking a breather, or is it really ready to do something? And right now, I just don't see that it's trying to do anything. So this is one of those situations where you just have to wait and see. You know what I mean? Where you don't know quite what's going on. You want to see some movement, but you do have to be patient and just wait, because the markets have moved a lot and they're just taking a break now at this point in time. All right, so here is your XRP Ripple coming into it with that rally alert. We didn't really get any upside production today, but again, this one is forward looking. Overhead trend line resistance is still the initial target on this move. All right, the next one is the NASDAQ 100, the E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures. All right, so as you can see here, this is your initial rally alert. Got this initial downside production. Now here we are. Market is just not trying to give us much to go on, so we're still waiting. All right, here is your Russell. All right, pull this one up. Give me just a second. All right, so the Russell here has this crash alert now on it. All right, trend line resistance down here is your initial target. We'll see what happens there. Let's take a look now at the silver futures. All right. All right, so here's your rally alert here. Really nothing going on just yet, so we'll wait and see on this one. Next one is your Aussie. All right, your Australian dollar. Taking a look at this one. All right, let's see what we got. All right, this one, again, bears are still in control. Here was your initial crash alert. Here's your downside production. And we still have not gotten to the initial target down here. So we're still waiting to see what happens as these intraday rallies get sold. All right, wash, rinse, and repeat. All right, the next one here is the euro dollar. Let's go ahead and pull this one up. All right, so your euro dollar, again, bears in control. Here's your crash alert. Here's all this downside production, getting close to reaching that initial target down here around the 121 to 120.50-ish level. All right, so bear still in control there. Next, we got the pound sterling. So take a look at the British pound. Let's get this in here real good so you can see it. All right, so we have that crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading here as well. Trend line support down here is the initial target. All right, whenever you see the rally and crash alerts, if I'm doing a chart and there's a rally alert or crash alert for the day, that is your primary signal. So you need to grab the reports and see what it says, what we're looking for to get involved in that particular market. We don't just place a market order to buy because we have a rally alert. Nor do we just place a market order to sell short because we have a crash alert. That's not how the system works. You got to follow the instructions. All right, you got to wait for the intraday price inflection points, wait for the market to catch up to you. All right, so the next one here is the Bitcoin. Let's see here. Yep. This your Bitcoin. So let's make sure we got that. Okay. So we have a rally alert here. All right. And so far, the market has not done anything. It did have a nice little bounce, nice little run up, but we're still, you know, we're flip-flopping now. You had the crash alert, got the downside production. Now you flip. Now it looks like it wants to rally and get back up to test 40,000. So be careful. Like I said, you gotta follow the system. You gotta follow the reports, man. The reports are crucial, and you gotta use that. You gotta use the method, man. You gotta use the method. Seriously, you got to manage these positions. Okay. Got to use the pop method. Got to pop your way through it. All right. So the last but not least is Ethereum. We had this crash alert. Nothing going. No downside production. The market's flip-flop to a rally alert. Now we got this this range. So we're still not getting any upside or downside production. No production. The market is taking a breath right now and just chilling. We're not doing anything right now. All right, I see you in the live chat. You're asking about Tesla. Well, let's take a look. Let's see if what we just looked at will affect that. Let's see here. Does the Russell reflect Tesla, or should I say Tesla reflecting the Russell? Let's see. All right, so here you have Tesla. It's not looking like the Russell futures. First of all, you had this crash alert here, no downside production. Then you flip-flop, then got a rally alert. Now you got a narrow range inside day. All right, so this market has not decided what it wants to do. So you got to be prepared for anything. I think it's going to pull back more because you still got gapage down here that you got to deal with. You got to deal with the gap right here. You never really reconcile that one. So Tesla can be slow to do this. Then you got the gap way down here. So I think Tesla is about to drop. All right, so if you are a subscriber, follow the report. They'll tell you what we're looking for in a situation like that, okay? And that's all we got for now. So as you know, the House voted to impeach Trump, and of course, obviously it went through. So the market really just shrugged it off. All right, I think the markets are more sensitive to what's going on with earnings and then these economic reports that started today, tomorrow, and Friday are the really big ones. So be prepared for that. All right. And that's pretty much what's up. Hey, what up? I got my brother in the room. What's up, Don? Smash that like button. Yeah, this is a quick one, man. I just wanted to knock this out right quick. I'm done for the day. If you missed anything, you can watch the beginning of this video. And with that, remember everybody, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Purge.